Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and fine. Hope you enjoy 3 days holidays. Let's back to studies. Okay, in English literature, we will do chapter number 1, The Clever Rat. Explanation of the chapter is already done, right? We will do the exercise to recall the chapter again. The Clever Rat. Let us do the exercise. First one is comprehension. Let us see what is written. Match the picture in column A with the words in column B. Number 1 is done for you. Okay, in this you have to match column A with column B. See the picture and answer it. First one is done. Fan. F-A-N, fan. Second one is C-A-T, cat. So match it. Number 3, what is this? This is cheese. And number 4 is R-A-T, rat. Done? Then complete the following phrases. You have to see the picture and complete the phrases. Fill up the dashes. Complete the following phrases. A fat, what do you see here? A black cat, right? So write a black cat, right? Next picture you can see a rat. Rat in which color? Brown. So you will write a little brown rat. Then you can see a fan. So a big brown fan, F-A-N, fan. A cheese, a yellow cheese, right? Let's see page number 3. Vocabulary. Look at the given picture, then fill in the missing letter. Number 1 is done for you. You have to fill such type of letter or alphabet so that make word. Okay. See the picture. First one is baby. A was missing. A is written. So number 2, you can see a blue car, but you have to fill the words with this proper letter. So here we will write C-A-R, car. Then B-U and burn. 4, B-A-L-L, ball. Number 5, G-I-F-T, gift. Number 6, F-R-O-G, frog. Number 7, H-A-N-D, hand. Number 8, L-A-M-P, lamp. Right? Then see the grammar part. Here, A-N, read the following phrase. A rat, a cat, a fan, a jug, a mat, a wall. We use a before words that begin with the consonant sound. Consonant means जहाँ vowel नहीं होता. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Rest of the letter are consonant. Right? An axe, an engineer, an eras, an ox, and umbrella. We use an before the words of vowel. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U, right? And consonant, the rest of the alphabet. इसे छोड़ के जो बाकी words है वो है consonant. Okay? So let us see. Look at the given picture. Read the words. Write A or an before the number, before the words. Number 1 and 2 are done for you. You can see aeroplane, right? So see the first letter. See the first letter. First is A. A comes in vowel. सो क्या लगेगा, अगर ए ई आई ओ यू फर्स्ट लेटर होगा तो हम एन लगाएंगे, राइट। सेकेंड अ, यू कैन सी फर्स्ट लेटर इज बी, तो बी वॉवेल में नहीं आता तो वो रेस्ट सब्जेक्ट रेस्ट लेटर्स है कॉन्सोनेंट, तो कॉन्सोनेंट में हम ए लगाएंगे, अ बनाना। देन नंबर 3 इज सी, सी फर्स्ट लेटर, सो व्हाट विल डू, सी यहाँ वॉवेल में नहीं आता है तो हम यहाँ पे अ लगाएंगे, राइट। देन डी डॉक्टर, फर्स्ट लेटर नहीं आता है वॉवेल में तो वो कंसोनेंट में आता है, तो विल राइट अ, राइट। टर्न द पेज, number 5 E, E comes in consonant or vowel, yes E comes in vowel, so vowel के आगे हम क्या लगाएंगे, N, right। F, what is this, consonant, so we will write A। G, सिर्फ ये 5 लेटर्स को आपको देखना है एंड फर्स्ट लेटर को देखना है, देन यू विल एबल टू राइट अ और एन, राइट। देन हाउस, एच, अ हाउस। xylophone, इग्नू। जे, अ जैकेट, right, kangaroo, K, a kangaroo, right, lion, L, a lion, M, a monkey, N, a nose, O, O आता है, C, O's come in vowel, so we'll write an orange। P, pen, a pen। Q, a queen। Then R, a rabbit। S, a snake। T, a tent। U, A E I O U vowel, see, so we'll write an umbrella। 22 V, van, A or I, A or N, a van। Then W, a watch, so a xylophone, a yacht, a zebra। Let us see these and that, okay, this is a book, that is a pencil, right, this is book near to me, that इस जो हमारे पास रहेगा उसे हम बोलेंगे this, जो दूर है वो बोलेंगे हम that, that is a pencil and this is a book। Let us read, what is this, this is a cup। What is that, that is a tree। We use this to point to the things which is near, we use that the point which is far। These हम कहाँ यूज करेंगे, जो हमारे पास है, और that हम कहाँ यूज करेंगे, जो हमसे दूर है, okay। So let us complete the following sentence using these or that। Number 1 and 2 are done for you। What is this, इसके पास इस सामने बुक है तो बोलेगी this is a book। What is that, kite is far from a boy, right, so he will, that is a kite। Now number 3, a ball is with near to a boy, a ball is holding a ball, a boy is holding a ball, so he, what is this, he will tell this is a ball क्योंकि पास है उसका। And number 4, what is that, he is asked what is that, so she will tell that is a beehive, okay। Let us see next. Number 5. A girl is playing with a dog. So she will tell a dog is near to him. Near to her. Okay. So number 5. Let us see what is that. What is this? This is a dog. Number 6. What is that? So that is a aeroplane. Number 7. What is that? So what is that? That is a bus. Now number 8. What is this? क्योंकि पास एरो पास दिखा रहा है ना. Then this is an ant. What is this? This is an ice cream. दूर एरो है इसलिए what is that? That is a star. Right? Then short answer. Read the following sentence. Is this a car? Yes, it is. मतलब आंसर आपको शॉर्टली करना है. Yes, this is that a car. ऐसा क्या लिखना है? सेम दिस और दैट में. तो is this a car? Yes, it is. Number 2. Is this a tree? No, it is not. It is a ball. Is not and yes, it is. So let us see next. Complete the following sentence. What do you see? A bus. Okay. Is this a bus? Yes, it is. है ना? Number 2. A tree near. Is this a fan? Fan तो नहीं है. This is a tree. So no, it is not. This is ice cream. Is this an ice cream? So yes, it is. Is this an apple? No, it is an orange. No, it is not. Okay. Then writing sentence. Complete this sentence about a rat. Use word from the stripe. Brown, rat, cheese, little, teeth, tail are given. You have to complete the sentence. This is a little brown rat. It has a long tail. The words are given in the stripe. Okay. It has white teeth and it like to eat cheese. Right? Then listen and speak. Listen to your teacher and number the picture in the order in which she reads the phrases. Okay, I read an ant. Okay. a boat, a candle, and umbrella. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn the page. Number 8. An engine, a kite, a goat, a hat. Okay. Let's see the alphabetic order. Let's arrange an engine, a goat, a hat, a kite. कन्वर्सेशन मतलब दो पर्सन के बीच में बात होना. कन्वर्सेशन. ग्रीटिंग. रिपीट द फॉलोइंग कन्वर्सेशन आफ्टर योर टीचर. Conversation number 1. Teacher. Good morning, children. Children. Good morning, ma'am. Teacher. Please sit down. Children. Thank you, ma'am. This is conversation 1. Conversation 2. Leela. Hello, Raman. How are you? Raman. Hello, Leela. I'm fine. Thank you. And you? एपोस्ट्रॉफी मार्क्स है, ये साइन क्वेश्चन मार्क आपको एक्सप्रेस करना है, राइट. लाइक हेलो लीना, आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू. एंड यू आपको क्वेश्चन करना है. लीला, फाइन, थैंक्स. पेयर वर्ब. प्रैक्टिस द कॉन्वर्सेशन. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट एट होम ऑल्सो. Sound and of English. Say the following words after your teacher. Ant, bat, pig, leg, pin, tin, box, fox, cup, bun, mat, and, feel, bell, fell, bell, sit, trip, hot, stop, some, come. Now activities here, page number 9. Join the dots in each picture. Color the picture. Okay, you have to join the dots like this. Okay. Red, green and brown. The color is also given. You have to do like green in leaf, red in or apple. Okay, like that you have to do this, complete this by yourself. You can do a joint and do. The color is already given. Okay, and the session is over. I hope you understand the exercise and please complete the exercise. Okay, in textbook. Thank you.